In this video, you will learn how to reset console password as well as bootload menu password without losing configuration on Huawei CloudEngine S5700 series switches. I am currently connected to the console port of Huawei S5700-H switch via PuTTY software. Let's say that you have forget the password which was set on device console. The authentication mode on console was password. In order to reset console password on S5700 series switches, reboot the switch. You need to press CTRL+B when asked on the CLI. Please note that if you did not press CTRL+B within 3 seconds, the device will continue boot process. After pressing the CTRL+B, previously, if device is not set with bootload menu password, then it will ask you to enter new password. Note: previously, if device is configured with bootload menu password, then you need to enter that password to get into the bootload menu. Let's reset bootload menu password, which is set in last step. Note: if you do not want to reset bootload password, then skip this step. In the bootload menu you will find Enter Password submenu at serial number 5. Press 5 on the keyboard. Here you can press 2 to reset bootload password. This will ask to enter the old bootload menu password. Now press 3 to return to the main menu. In order to reset console password, you need to press 6 on the keyboard. Press Y to clear the console password. Note: choose 1 to boot with default mode and then set as new password. Note: if the device is restarted during startup, you need to perform this operation again. In short, you must enter 1 to boot with default mode. Do not enter 7 for reboot. Press Enter to get started. You will notice that the command line interface will ask to configure the password for console. Once password is set, you will be in the user view of device CLI. You will notice that the device configuration is not deleted. You can again set the console password in the user interface console 0. Note that device authentication mode in console is password. We have successfully reset the console password of Huawei CloudEngine S5700-H switch. You can find the device model, software version information in this case.